Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix WhatsApp green screen problem. So if you're currently having problems with your WhatsApp being green screen and you want to be able to fix this, well in this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed it quite quickly. So actually what I did firstly was that I closed my WhatsApp and instead I went into my settings app. And by the way, I did some research. If you have an Android, you're going to be able to do so as well. As you can see, I have an iPhone, but you're going to be able to follow along step by step basically also if you have Android. So scroll down and find general and then find storage. And on your Android, you need to also, of course, find storage. And after that, it's going to be the exact same thing. So make sure to find storage on your Android as well. And then we're going to scroll down in here and we're going to find WhatsApp. So keep scrolling down until you can see the WhatsApp app. Oh, here it is. So click on WhatsApp. Now what I did on this page is that I clicked on Offload app and I clicked on Offload app once again in here, as you can see. And then I just waited a couple of seconds and then I clicked on the blue button here again. Because now what will happen is that you will actually be able to, sometimes you have to click on it 2 times unfortunately. So if it comes up once again, reinstall app, just click on it 2 times. Because what will happen now is that you will get automatically the absolute latest version for WhatsApp. And it can take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to load depending on how big the latest update is. So if it's currently that you're currently experiencing the green screen, do this please and just try it, and then when it's done, go back into the app and hopefully now it's also working for you as well.